I didn't click record when I started, and missed 2 days of fucking backtesting. No. Anyways, this is Loosh here for another little backtesting session. Changing it up a bit. I'm doing the wheel just like Cam. Seen him do it a couple times. I don't know if y'all know Cam. If you don't, go watch his shit. He's a fucking beast. Basically, it's just the wheel from 2022 to 2025, weeks 1 through 4, and months 1 through 12, and we got September 2025, week 2. So I started it on Monday. Unfortunately, I missed Monday's trading day on the replay. I missed the AM session because when I started the session, I started at like 6 p.m., so I missed whole days of price action. That was a thing. And then I just fucking talked all about Tuesday and realized I wasn't fucking recording. So, anyways, I'm just gonna cut right into it. We didn't hit a trade. This is a fresh session, 50k BAL, and let's just fucking hop right back into it. Okay, we had 8:30 red folder news. We have 8:30 red folder tomorrow and 10 a.m. on Friday. So this is a really, really clean week. Had NFP yesterday. Wasn't really anything. I did a little funny full port thing, and clearly nobody fucking saw it. So anyways, we're just gonna right into it. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible, but also as good as possible, because I need y'all to be learning something. But okay, Wednesday. Let's look on the daily. Really bullish, all-time highs up here. Looks like we're going to be gunning for that at some point soon, potentially this, well, definitely this week. Potentially even today. We're delivering from this 15-minute fair value gap right now. We have data lows down there. Let me mark those out. Take a look on ES. Both are still intact as well. It's what you like to see. Oops. Okay, I am recording. Holy fuck. I was just gonna chalk it up at that point. Okay, what do I want to see? We're about to create this 30-minute unmitigated fair value gap. We have unmitigated 4-hour below in discount. Oh yeah, in discount of the current dealing range. Key scenario would be for us to leave data highs, hit discount of the current dealing range while generating a bunch of liquidity, and then catching longs to our data highs and all-time highs. But you have to act on the fly. You know, right now we're already delivering from this 50-minute for value gap. Let's see how we do with this 30. Massive dump. This is fucking clean. This is exactly what I want to see. Big retrace into the 30. Let's take a look at the 1. Just inverse the 1 minute. And the 2. But we've just mitigated the 15. Great 15-minute PO3. The 5 I meant, sorry. Okay. Honestly, I guess long or shorts out of that 5-minute gap would have been kind of cool, but we only had a 1 minute, and we do have a clear draw as data highs or data lows below. There's the 1 minute. Oh, I'm on ES. SMT with data lows. Cool beans. 2 bullish SMTs right now. I think this is just going to be search and destroy conditions here. We're probably just going to rip these. Do we have a 30-second? We do. Oop. No 1 minute. Respected the 30-second. Do we need more manipulation? I don't trade 15 seconds, so I'm not even going to be looking at that. Okay. No 3 minute. There's basically no long opportunities right now, other than this 1 minute up here. What the fuck? Remanipulation again. But now we're fighting a bearish and a bullish SMT with this level. Play that how you want it, but I think I like this 1 minute. Another internal bullish SMT. Honestly, I'm probably going to wait to take this one until we inverse that one, but ES is getting pretty close to the DOL. This one, honestly, is pretty clean. We got a lot of SMTs backing us up. Are we really going to hold this SMT for much longer? Probably not. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go break even at this level. I could be a corn and just target the 5 minute for a 1-to-1. I don't think that's that corny, to be honest. 37 points. We'll just do 1 mini. Because who gives a fuck? Break even at the internal high. Hopefully we don't get a fucking sick reaction off of that 1 minute. Oh gosh. ES is still holding the 1 minute of fucking doom and despair. Okay. Holy wait. This is like pattern trade as fuck. Low key. There's SMTs everywhere. I don't know if I like it. Potentially. Yeah, this doesn't look good. I'm gonna go break even there. Like, it's a good trade, but this is like pattern. Pretty pattern. Failing. Well, there is no. I guess they're like, you're not really taking another stab at anything because there hasn't been an inversion yet, right? So let's break even there. ES definitely took the 5 minute. I could just be a bitch and not hold it, but that's like really bitchy. Okay, we hit TP. It's a good trade, more or less, because this was the like first 1 minute inversion that we did get. So many bullish SMTs with it. You know, we swept data highs. We have clear draws like data high, or we swept data lows, clear draws like data highs above. Just took it to our unmitigated 5. That's all you really need. That's my piece of the pie, 1-to-1. That's what I would trade on a everyday basis. Pretty good setup. Not bad. Not A+, but it's not terrible. So we'll just move on from that. Okay, another big fucking news day. 8:30 we had CPI. And holy shit, whoever full ported got fucking lucky. Wow. What a fucking CPI candle. Definitely better than the last couple. Or the last one. Okay, so data highs got absolutely ripped. Like data lows are so low that I don't even know if we're gonna go there. It's obviously an extremely clear draw in any scenario. Like data highs or lows are your best friend when you're lacking DOL. So so bullish. No daily fair value gaps. Luring from this hourly fair value gap. Bro, I hate when the 4 hour fucking tweaks. I don't know if it's just for me, but the 4 hour on FX replay is like 50. It's 50 as fuck. 4 hour. Okay, we are not delivering from a 4 hour. Cool, cool, cool. Delivering from a 1 hour for value gap out of CPI. I don't even know what I want to see here. I mean, we have this here. Previous day highs. Yeah. Previous day highs. 2-minute ITH. Here that we swept. Is this gonna take us to our fucking draws lower? Probably not. Okay, ES has data highs above. I didn't even see that. So they're gonna be gunning for that. And at that point, they made equal highs with it. This 5 minute would be kind of clean. But now you're inside of another 5 minute. Fuck. That would actually be clean. I might take it discretionarily. Someone calling me? I'll call him back after. Sorry, rye guy. Alright, so we have a protected high at data highs. Is it equal though? I don't really see. It's equal highs, but fuck, like, come on. Equal highs on ES is like a fucking... It's not, you can't trust it. You can't fucking trust it. But we're inside of another 5 minute here, so technically this is not what I would like to take, you know. But we'll see what we do. Okay, this is better. This is better. We get the closure. We're still intact here. strong rejection from the upside on yes. Where do I go break even? That is the big question. Ooh, new 15-minute candle. Gobble gobble. I will go break even at here. That's what I like here the most. Inverse the 5-minute. Really not good. ES is gunning. They're fucking gunning. Honestly, that was a shit fucking trade. I'm gonna be completely honest. Well, I mean, it wasn't that shit. Data lows as your DOL. Delivery from a 1 hour. Oh, there's so many things in the way, you know, of that trade going through. So, again, this is backtesting. So, not that I'm still learning my strategy, but in some cases, like I want to see how, okay, if we have such a clear draw, like data highs below, even though it's data highs, if there is a 1 hour fair value gap, or if it's inside of a higher time frame fair value gap, does it affect the draw on liquidity? Clearly, you know, I still have things to learn about DOL and things like that. Like, again, I'm still fairly new to trading, but as you can see, data lows won't, or like data liquidity won't zip through everything else. You know what I mean? So this strong 1 hour rejection means that we're probably not going to go down there. And I said that at the start of the day. Are we really going to bump down to those data lows? Potentially, right? So that's why I took a stab at it, because 1, I want to see how we react off of it. 2, I do think it's a clear DOL. And 3, we have a bearish SMT. So pretty solid. But overall, our DOL looks like we don't need to go to data lows. So that's something you can take away from this thing. And we disrespect 5-minute BPR here. Do we have any 15 minutes? No 15 minutes. And I'm zoomed in way too much. Let me back it up a tad. Okay. We swept this liquidity. What do I want to see right now? See how we react off of this. So we're just running shit. ES is so up there. Okay, 10:30 opened up, and there's nothing to look at. ES is at all-time highs. NQ is lagging behind. I'd love a call long here, but we have no 5-minute. Nice. Take a bear. Another bear. 3 bears. Okay, remanipulation. Deeper into our discounted 15-minute or 5-minute fair value gap. Oops. Okay, discount of the current dealing range. That's what I like. But again, we're pushing 11 o'clock here. Getting a little fucking close. We're inside of our 2-minute now. And we're, yeah. I'm not breaking my rules. I'm not doing it on backtest. I don't really care. This right here is a rule breaker. I don't trade past kill zone, even though we're definitely going to these all-time highs. Clear break even. Very, very A+ setup. I'm not breaking my rules, but this is probably going to work. And it did. So that is something that, if that's your strategy, cool. Okay, this is the setup I was looking for before 11, and I didn't get it. And since we get it right at 11, I'm not breaking my rules to take a potential losing trade. Because if I lost that trade, not only did I lose, but I broke my rules and I lost. If I won, it's still poor because I broke my rules to win. That's not a profitable way of thinking, right? But again, if it is yours, like if you trade till 12 or if you trade, you know what I mean, 24/7, take that trade, man. That's A+. But for me, no. I'm not taking that. Not taking that. Oops, not analytics. New York. Friday, boys. Here we go. We're at all-time highs. Let's see what we can make happen. Obviously, longs are in play. See, trading at all-time highs is something that I'm not really, like, I haven't backtested too much of, to be honest. When I started trading props, it was like December. So I wasn't really dealing with that much. We were close, but sip of water. Stay healthy. Okay. On the 15-minute time frame, what are we looking at? I forgot I had the PO3. Cool. There's no 1-hour gaps. This is fucking bullshit. I don't like this. Not even a little bit. Okay. I hate this. It's my least favorite thing. No 30-minute gaps. We might just have to rely on discount. Do we have news? We have 10 a.m. news. Whatever the fuck that is, mate. Discount of the range. Oh fuck, we got a Judas. This is terrible momentum with a tiny 30-second, which isn't protected by, oh, it's protected by a 15-minute fair value gap. Fuck. I don't know if I like this one. Like, genuinely, we have a clear target as that. we don't have good momentum going into this. Unmitigated 5. Break even there. I think I'm gonna take it. See how we roll, right? 30-second IFVG manipulation into a 15-minute intermediate low, while also inside of discount of the current dealing range, and showing strong bullish price action. As you can see, we're delivering overall from, what even is that? 1 hour intermediate low and 1 hour fair value gap that we've retested plenty of times. Okay, so I don't mind this. Seems pretty good. Let's take a little peek on ES, where we're at. Okay, we're in the same boat, I'd say. We have a bullish SMT as well. Well, wait, where's our break-even point? Okay, we're not creating another 5-minute, which is good. Let me see, what's our 37? And we did take it on ES. And we have strong momentum to the downside. Fuck, unfortunately that's break-even, I think. But will price reverse from that level? Like, what's... I think some trades don't need a break even. In this sense, going break even could prevent me from losing a trade, but could also prevent you from winning a trade. ES is very far behind. I think break even here is justifiable. Another fucking edge of the fucking century. Yeah. So, not a bad trade at all. We got a bullish SMT, we got manipulation from the 50-minute ITL. We're at all-time highs, so discount is our best friend for these small retracements. From what I've backtested, tends to work the best. Really good 15-minute PO3 coming out of that. Shit inversion, to be honest. Not good momentum, but again, clear target as that 5-minute. Great little mech model play. I find at this time of year, from when I was like demo trading and backtesting, mech models were like insane. Even targeting ITLs and ITHs were really, really good here. But yeah, not bad. I don't mind that. Good setup. Might not be over because we still have you know, 930 highs. And we're fucking, oh, we have 10 a.m. news. Cool. So we're still, usually I would just take one setup a day. On live I would be done, but we're back testing, so we can kind of be a little bit more aggressive. Not aggressive, but you know what I mean. SMT with 930 high with ES right now. fuck is that? How does that work? True manipulation. Oh, 10 a.m. news. I'm a dummy. See, we didn't even. Yeah. Whoa. This right here would be a pattern long. I don't like it. Targeting a full-blown SMT. Okay, cool. We have true manipulation now. I don't really want to see shorts at all. True manipulation, but now I think we're just gonna buzz around and be bullish all day. Look at that. Yeah, respecting 5 minutes. Just kind of, yeah, chiseling around until fucking 11. Right on. So unfortunately I didn't get to fucking show you the first 2 days, but you didn't really miss much. Monday I missed altogether anyways. But I looked over it and you couldn't really catch any longs, but we just pumped up. But there was actually a 5-minute count, I think. But it was like, I don't even know if there's a 15-second in it. Tuesday, I forget how Tuesday was. I think Tuesday was shit, if I remember correctly. Tuesday we just, what did we do? There was a potential long opportunity, I think, if I'm not wrong. Anyways, let's take a look at the win rate. 66% win rate. And the one loss that we took was definitely avoidable. Again, this is backtesting, so you can't be afraid to lose on backtesting. You shouldn't be afraid to lose on live either, but that was just a trade to collect data on that certain scenario. If we have data highs that manipulated into a high time frame unmitigated gap, it's, especially when it's really far down, it's likely, unless it's like you get insane confirmation, an insane condition goes in your way that it's just too obvious not to do it, then you would take that position. But for me, that was more of a test and it didn't go well. So anyways, that is the win rate for this session. And then, yeah, let me know what you guys think.